get rid of my wigs and stuff. Voltaire family, welcome back to another video, guys. Like I promised you guys from last video that I will show you a little skincare routine and what I got from Ultra last time. So since my camera decided to, you know, say full storage type of thing, I'm just gonna go straight to the video, no wasting time or whatsoever. Okay, so I know it look a little beat up. I was doing a face watching my face and y'all guys didn't see the process because my camera said full storage, and I said I'm not gonna be washing my face for you guys again. Well, sorry y'all, blame the camera. But anyway, I got this brightening bar soap thing I got from Ultra. I love it. It's just make my face, you know, clearing up a little bit. My face been breaking out lately. I don't know if it's because your girl getting old. You know, I don't know if that's the reason, but it's okay. Another thing that I also have is the pimple patches, and I tried it once. I think so far it's okay. I use Good Molecules before, but I'll probably only try 1 or 2 products. So this time, before I completely make a full switch, I decided to try more than 1 products. So we'll see how well it goes with my skin for like about a month. Okay, so I'll come back and let you guys know how my face looks like within a month. But I also got a daily serum. It's super duper good. I also have a overnight exfoliating treatment. It's really good as well. And the last thing that I had from Ultra for my skincare routine was the acne foaming cleanser. I love it, guys. I really these are so far one of my favorite from Good Molecules. Now we definitely going to see within a month how my face, you know, go with it. And one last thing that I have, hold on, use that, okay? Cause I forgot to do the haul, so bear with me, chat. And let me see, you see this one right here? If y'all ever go to Ultra, grab your some and add it to your daily shower, and it will change your life. It smells so good. Let me smell it one more time for y'all. It gives like very rose type of feeling. And it also smells like it got some perfume in it, like just to make you feel extra good. You know, you would never buy a good rose perfume like when it gives like grown woman vibe, and I feel like this is what this one smells like. It is so good. So if y'all ever go to Ultra, definitely get you one of these too, poo. And let's just go ahead and add a little quick pep talk, guys. My hair looking crazy right now, so that's why I throw this in. Just don't mind it. What do you guys feel about my skin so far? Do you feel like it's clearing up from the breakout? I don't know what's going on my face. But anywho, guys, I feel like in this journey, for all of my Christian girlies, you guys tell me if y'all feel the same way, but it's been in my spirit for a while now. I feel like God telling me to go on my more natural style way, because these wigs and stuff, I don't know, I'm not really feeling them anymore. I've been wearing wigs since my young teen and stuff like that, but I feel like in this journey God wants me to get rid of my wigs and stuff like that. And one thing is, as I feel like God was telling me that, I went on TikTok the other day and I saw this girl that she was saying that God was telling her to get rid of her hair and stuff like that. And I felt like that was a confirmation for me to start going on my natural hair routes. Now it's been quite some time since I do natural hairstyle. I really have to get used to it, but I feel more on stop using the wigs. Now it's not your calling, you know, don't do it, but really pray about what God wants you to get rid of for this year. And I feel like you will God will really start showing you things that to get rid of. And when this happened, I was like and out. You know, hey, God created us with his own image. That's because he knew that we was perfect, you know, in his eyes. So I feel like any decision that God will want us to make is because he obviously wants us to feel more like us, to have more confidence with what he have given us. It's like whenever you're trying to do things to change yourself, it's like you're telling God, the way you make me, I don't like it and I want to change it. And yeah, so for those of you guys who are in this journey too, I want to tell you that, you know, you're not alone. Has you transforming yourself and stuff like that. Really look through the path of what you could have done better to express yourself and stuff like that. And I've been going through Pinterest too to get a little hairstyle, natural hairstyle, cute looking vibe. And I am still gonna wear a little my braids, not so much, but I am still gonna go with the braids. But when it comes to like wigs, I feel like this is the first thing that I'm gonna get rid of. And I feel like if throughout, you know, the month, whole year, I feel me like, you know, get rid of, you know, my braiding, hairstyle and stuff like that as I'm transforming. I'll definitely take you guys on this journey with me too. Now y'all see this little sneak peek of my hair. Like, this ain't no easy type of 4C hair. This is the afro looking hair. Them step looking afro. I do have good hair, guys. I have real good thick hair. But I'm gonna try to style it out and stuff like that. Or, you know, do a little braiding and stuff like that, just so I could let my baby breathe. And I think they like, and I think they also saying, sis, let us breathe. We need to breathe. You see, this talking stage already 8 minutes. If you made it this far, thank you. I don't want to make this video, you know, more boring or anything like that. So let me just go get ready, and then we're gonna go out for a little bit. And then when I come back, if I have time, we will, you know, do a little prepping and stuff like that. So thank you for supporting your girl. Definitely make sure that you'll watch our videos, you know, till the end. Thanks for the love. Bye. Later. Farewell to some of y'all. smell like I don't want it to smell like goat cheese. This is gonna do it right here. Ooh, might be a little bit too much. Power green juice. Double the trouble. You rinse this. It's gonna smell like green juice.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna
happen. Cause this one right here, you can't drink too much out of it. It will knock you out in a second. So I was gonna make an orange skin goat juice, but I went to the store. I couldn't find no oranges and ginger, and I said, you know what? I'm not gonna go to a different store for two things. Jeez, just gonna have to do. So yeah, we got one extra one there, 2 green juice, 2 each, and 1 of the cranberry, not cranberry, peaches. Ta-da! What you think, Mr. Cameraman? You like the colors over here? It's giving healthy. Alright guys, that's it for the juicing. Now, little thing that I don't like about this juicing is, you see this one right here, the string from the stuff. When it's too much of it, let's say spinach or celery, it does this and it gets stuck on the side of the juicing. It can be a little annoying and frustrating at some point because they all be stuck on the side. But I'm glad they brought it. They gave us this. When it first came in, I guess they knew like it was gonna cause this. But otherwise, it's a pretty good, affordable juicer. So, thank you everybody. That's it. This one right here could make a good soap or soil if you have like garden.